Every day, millions of people interact with AI systems that understand and generate language, whether it is Google search, voice assistants like Alexa, automated customer service, or even generative AI tools like ChatGPT or Gemini. In this video, I will walk you through a practical beginner to advanced roadmap for mastering natural language processing (NLP). We will start with Python fundamentals and work our way up to advanced transformer models like BERT and GPT. So, whether you are a complete beginner, a data analyst switching domains, or someone interested in future of GenAI, this guide is tailored for you. Natural language processing is no longer just an academic topic. In 2025, it is an industry standard skill for building AI powered applications. NLP powers are chatbots and virtual assistant, sentiment analysis for social listening, medical report summarization, financial document extraction, resume screening, and job matching. Companies across sectors like healthcare, finance, retail, and even law are integrating NLP into their pipelines. And now with GenAI, the demand has exploded. Learning NLP does not just make you job ready, it makes you future proof. Here is the step by step structure we will follow. Step 1 is prerequisites. Prerequisites are Python, NumPy, Pandas, and regex. Then step 2 is core NLP, which consists of tokenization, vectorization, text cleaning. Step 3 is classical ML based NLP like naive based logistic regression. Then step 4 is deep NLP and transformers like word2vec, BERT, GPT. Then step 5 is projects where we will build some projects like resume parser, chatbots, summarizers. Then step 6, which is career preparation, which consists of resume building, interview tips, and portfolio building. Each step will include tools, libraries, and real world project ideas. Let's start with foundation. First is Python. Learn basic syntax, loop functions, and object oriented programming. Then come NumPy and Pandas. NumPy and Pandas are some libraries of Python which are essential for manipulating tabular data and also unstructured data. Then comes regex, which is master in pattern matching. It is critical for extracting emails, phone numbers, and custom tokens. Then is a matplotlib seaborn, which is used for data visualization and basic EDA. And lastly, scikit-learn. Get comfortable with training models like logistic regression and evaluating metrics like accuracy, F1, and ROC-AUC. These phase builds your data mindset. It is not about building models yet. It is about learning how to think with the data. Now, step into the world of text data. First one is tokenization. Break down text into words or sentences. Then comes stop word removal. Eliminate common filler words like and, the, is. Then we need to learn stemming versus lemmatization. It is used to reduce words to their base forms. Then we need to learn bag of words and TF-IDF. It turns words into numbers so ML models can work with them. Use NLTK and SPECI for all these techniques. Understand pre-processing pipelines, how to clean real-world messy data, and how to visualize frequency distributions. Once you can vectorize text, plug it into traditional ML models like naive Bayes, which is great for spam detection and sentimental classification. Then is logistic regression, which is used for text classification tasks. SVM, which is excellent for high dimensional text data. LDA, which is for topic modeling and clustering similar documents. Start with small projects like classify movie reviews, which is positive or negative, filter spam SMS messages, then categorize news headlines into topics. Start with these small projects. Welcome to the modern era of NLP. First, understand word embeddings like word to vec, glove. They turn word into dense vectors that capture meaning and context. Next, learn about the attention mechanism, the core innovation behind the transformer architecture. Then move on to transformers. BERT for classification and Q&A, GPT for generation and chat, then T5 or BART for summarization and translation. Use the Hugging Face Transformer library to fine tune models, run inference, and even deploy apps in a few lines of code. Now let's explore what can you build. First is text classification. Use BERT to detect toxic comments, classify customer queries, or analyze tweets. Next is summarization. Fine tune T5 or BART to summarize product reviews or lengthy legal documents. Next project which you can do is conversational agents. Build custom chat GPT like bots using RAG pipeline with private data. Next project is semantic search. Use sentence embeddings to make Google like search tools for internal documents. The real world tools and real world results will help you to learn NLP in a better way. Let's discuss few projects. First one is resume parser, where we extract skills, experience, and job titles using Spacey or regex. Then the second project is fake news classifier. Train a model to distinguish between fake and real headlines. The next project is sentiment dashboard. Analyze tweets or product reviews and visualize insights. Next is legal document summarizer. Use T5 or BART to break down long policies into digestible summaries. The last one is medical chatbot. Build a symptom checker or appointment scheduler. Post this on GitHub, write a README, make a blog post, turn it into your portfolio. Now let's turn your skills into a job offer. Focus on resume. In resume, focus on results. Instead of writing like used but write improved classification accuracy by using fine-tuned but. Then prepare for interview questions. Prepare questions like how does BERT differ from GPT? What is attention? Why is it useful? How do you handle an imbalanced text data set? What are the ways to improve summarization quality? These are the questions which are often asked in these interviews. Then apply for roles like NLP engineer, Gen AI research analyst, applied data scientist, and don't forget to network. LinkedIn post and public projects is equal to visibility. NLP is not just about technology, it is about helping machines to understand our stories, commands, emotions, and sometimes even our poetry. You don't need to learn everything at once. Start with small projects, share what you've built, then learn one more thing. Momentum compound every time. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. If you have any question or suggestion, do let me know in the comment section.